In an industry known for reshaping materials to optimize performance and create new possibilities, Italian metalworking machines define innovation and craftsmanship. Celebrated the world over for their precision, unwavering quality, robustness, and reliability. Whether customers require self-centering jaws, machine tool accessories, or grinding machines for drills, mills, and dies, Italian machinery rises to the occasion. Italian companies also provide specialized production of copying cutters for roughing and finishing, as well as cutters for drills, end mills, face milling, and solid carbide inserts. Thanks to a unique blend of ingenuity and craftsmanship, the export of Italian-made machine tools, robots, and automation systems has thrived, with Italy maintaining its top 5 position globally for several years. It's a combination of flexibility, innovation, and creativity that truly sets Italian metalworking machinery apart from the competition across this and the other 15 sectors that we at Machines Italia represent. Unleash the power of Machines Italia as your ultimate sourcing partner in North America. Explore our exclusive tools for finding metalworking machinery designed and crafted with the same passion you put into your products. Contact us now via email or through our website and jumpstart your journey to success today. Machines Italia, engineered with passion.